Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm showing you my homemade sugar scrub that I do. This is really easy to do and I'm sure you have these at home. I start by applying some Vaseline to a bowl. Next I'm putting brown sugar. You can use any sugar you have, and I recommend starting off by putting a little bit into the Vaseline and mixing it so that you see what texture it is, so that you can build up from there and apply more if you want it to be more grainy. After mixing it well together, you just want to apply it into a clean container where you can store it and take it out whenever you want to exfoliate your lips. I love exfoliating my lips because it just smoothens my lips out if it's dry, and I feel like it just plumps my lips after I exfoliate, so I just love using exfoliator daily. That's pretty much it. It's really easy to do this at home. If you want, you can even change it and add some vanilla extract or do whatever you want with this. It's really fun to do, and if you like this video, please give this video a like and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.